The new cab and its signature V-shaped headlights is a tribute to the FH16's heritage. The confident look is bolstered by the grille and headlight panels, which have been moved outwards for improved aerodynamics. Safety is a part of our DNA, and our new adaptive high-beam lights are a prime example. A camera engineered to detect other vehicles selectively switches off LED segments that would otherwise blind vehicles both in front and approaching. The high beam still lights the unaffected parts of the road, and you experience far better nighttime driving conditions.